Hi, welcome back. It's still July 17th. I want to do an update to the forecast I did this morning, and my my theory is, or my thought is that this market has gone a long way, the S&P or the major indexes, and there might be a time for a pause, and that's what I want to see, if we can use these Drummond tools to pick that off at its earliest possible spot. So this was our target area in here, and that held on close. And looking at the lower time periods, this would have been a great exhaust bar, and you can see that the 15-minute closed way down in a C wave down. So that's the beginning of a change in trend. Now obviously that came at right at the close for the day at 4 o'clock, so it's not a tradable event. I wouldn't be entering a trade with the overnight market based on this information. But what it does show you a classic textbook exhaust into the target area. You know, this area identified from the daily chart, and that big C wave down and came up, tested the envelope bottom, and then continued to push down. So again, it was at the end of at the close of the day, but that's the way a nice reversal sets up. So looking ahead at tomorrow, I've got the introductory version on the left, and I've got the silver version on the right. And you can see these lines that I've drawn here, coming from the bottom of this bar through where the PL dot is in between the bars, onto the oncoming bar, and also from the top of the bar going through that area and down towards the low. These are 6-1 lines, and 6-1 lines start to pull into view when the trend is slowing down. It's a very early sign that things might be starting to change. And also you can see a 5-2 connecting the tops of these two bars and projecting that over. So we're looking at another target area around 45.70, and then if things start to push down, you have the PL dot down here, weekly envelope top down below that, and then way down here is the 6-1 up and the daily envelope bottom. Now looking at this chart on the right with the silver version of the software, see these oncomings. These are, I'm sorry, the nearby resistance areas are starting to move down and break into the envelope area. That's a sign that this is slowing down a little bit. Also looking at the PL dots, and now we have a PL dot swing off the main channel line, another indication. So could be the early signs that we're up for a pause, at least a PL dot refresh or lower on the daily chart, and maybe setting up for that to happen on the weekly chart. So that's going forward in tomorrow. We'll see how that plays out, and probably keep updating this, because I think we might be at in an interesting point after such a long rally, and what might happen after that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know, and we'll see you again next time.